Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Maybe you can already see it, but I have been very crusty dusty for a while now. There's a lot to be done around here and on here. I thought of doing a little self-care vlog, show you what I do for self-care. I've always wanted to try Pilates, so I thought of doing like a at-home mat Pilates and see how it goes, if I like it, if I enjoy it, because I haven't been to the gym in almost a year now, and my body has not got much physical activity besides like walking around for work. So I thought I'll try it out and I will let you guys know how that goes. But before that, I have to have breakfast, so let's go and make some breakfast. So I just finished breakfast now and it was so nice having French toast after a really long time. Now it's time for mat Pilates, so I'm going to quickly go and change my outfit and be right back.
With our knees bent, take your hands behind your back and lower the left knee towards the right knee, alternating the draw your navel in with and exhale, lower the thumb down, finding your plank. So you just lift and lower. Drawing up through the navel to right fingertips up, and then pressing through your shoulders. Each time you exhale, return to your plank.
Just finished the Pilates session and I don't know if you can tell from the difference in my voice, it was pretty tiring, but I really enjoyed it because there was actually a lot of breathing involved. It was not like the cardio type of moves and it was quite relaxing for me, so I can't actually wait to try it again. As I said, it was quite challenging and I didn't include every single move that I did as a part of those clips because it was so funny. I was even shaking, and you might have seen because I have gotten pretty weak. My arms have gotten pretty weak. So, but actually, this is really good, and it was quite fun, and I really liked it. Now, I'm gonna start with a hair mask and then clean my room, which needs a lot of cleaning. I don't know if you guys remember how I started this hair mask in one of my previous videos for the purpose of hair growth, because I cut my hair and it ended up being way too short. I don't really know if it has grown a lot, but I think there's definitely some sort of an improvement in my length. I know it's not gonna grow overnight to the length that I had before, but I at least want to speed up the process by using a hair mask. I had long hair since I was a kid, and this year was the first time I actually went quite short with my hair, and I just didn't know how to deal with it, and I'm still learning how to manage it. And I've been used to styling it the exact same way all the time, every single day, every single month, but this is all new to me. And one thing I would say before you choose a hairstylist is to see how careful they are with long hair, especially if you're someone with long hair. Something my mom always told me when I was little, she didn't trust just about anyone with my hair, because even though a person might be well known and well reputed, having a really good salon, they might not know how to exactly deal with long hair and protect the volume of your hair and make sure that your hair is in place and looks neat and tidy when it's not styled by a salon. So my mom actually never trusted just about anyone to cut my hair. She would always make sure that a person that she would take me to has cut long hair before, and has done a good job with it without reducing the volume of the hair. And that is something that I wish I would keep in mind always. And if you guys have long hair too, I hope you guys remember that as well, especially if you want your hair to be kind of neat looking and maintain that volume of your hair. A good way of doing this is by just checking all of the past hairstyles that this hairstylist has done, maybe through social media, and see the befores and afters if there are any. If you have friends with long hair who go to a specific stylist, and if you think their hair looks great, then maybe you should actually consider going to such a stylist as well. Now I'm gonna get to cleaning my room. Bed is now arranged and everything is so neat. I am so glad because it has been bothering my head for the longest time. There are a few other little small things to be cleared around the room, but that I could do after dinner or after my shower. But I have to go and shower because my hair mask has been sitting in my scalp for more than 20 minutes, and apparently it's bad to keep it beyond 20 minutes. So I'm going to quickly rush over and wash it all off and have a nice long relaxing everything shower, do all the works. Hello again. So as the next part of my self-care vlog, I am going to get waxed because I haven't done that in a while. And my outfit is this basic skinny and my usual pair of jeans that I wear with everything. I will see you around. So I just finished my wax session and actually it didn't hurt at all this time, and she did such a good job and she didn't take much time at all. So my auntie actually sent me a soup, so I'm gonna go and have some lunch now. This was really thick, so I added some milk and a little bit of salt. So let's see how it tastes. So good. Now for my favorite, the garlic bread. Such a garlic girl.